Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. The case that I'll be discussing in this video is Airedale NHS Trust versus Bland. It was a landmark case in the United Kingdom that dealt with the withdrawal of life-sustaining treatment from a patient in a persistent vegetative state without seeking the court's approval. Tony Bland, a 17-year-old, was severely injured in the Hillsborough disaster in 1989, which resulted in severe brain damage and left him in a PVS. The medical staff at the Airedale National Health Service Trust sought a declaration from the court that it would be lawful to withdraw artificial nutrition and hydration, which were the only life-sustaining treatments keeping Tony Bland alive. The case reached the House of Lords in 1993. The court considered the legal and ethical issues surrounding the withdrawal of treatment from a patient who lacked capacity and had no prospect of recovery. In its judgment, the court held that it would be lawful to withdraw life-sustaining treatment from Tony Bland. The court established several key principles, which were: the withdrawal of life-sustaining treatment could be considered as in the best interest of the patient if it was determined that the patient had no prospects of recovery and the treatment merely prolonged the process of dying. The court's approval was not required in such cases as long as medical professionals acting in accordance with established medical guidelines and in consultation with patient's family made the decision in the patient's best interests. The decision to withdraw treatment must be made in a reasonable and responsible manner, taking into account the view of the patient's family and any known wishes or preferences expressed by the patient before losing capacity. The case set an important precedent in UK law regarding the withdrawal of life-sustaining treatment from patients in a PVS. It provided legal clarity and guidance to medical professionals and families faced with such difficulty, while ensuring that the interests and dignity of the patient were at the forefront. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comment section. Thank you.